Hello student, today we will continue exercise 7.4, sum number 4, 5 and example 9, chapter 7th, triangles. Sum number 4, AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle A is greater than angle C. Second part, angle B is greater than angle D. Join A to C. AB is smallest side. CD is longest side. To show proof in triangle ABC, AB, in front of AB the angle is 1. Angle 1 is less than angle 2. In triangle ADC, CD is longest side. In front of CD, angle is 3, which is greater than angle 4. We can write it as angle 4 is less than angle 3. Equation 1. Equation 2. By adding 1 plus 2, it makes angle 1 plus 4 is less than angle 2 plus 3. 1 plus 4 makes angle C is less than angle 2 plus 3 makes angle A. See, it proves angle C is less than angle A. That means angle A is greater than angle C. Let me draw figure again. A, B, C, D. Now join B to D. We have to show angle B is greater than angle D. So, first we will take triangle ABD. AB smallest side in front of angle 5. Angle 5 is less than angle 6. In triangle DBC, CD is the longest side. In front of CD, angle is 7, which is greater than angle 8. That means angle 8 is less than angle 7. Equation 3 and 4. By adding 3 plus 4 makes 5 plus 8 angle D, which is less than angle B. That means angle B is greater than angle D, hence proved. Student, You have to remember, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to longer side is larger. Its converse, the side opposite to longer angle is longer. Next property, sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side. Next one is sum number 5. PR is greater than PQ. PS bisects angle QPR, means to say angle 1 equal to angle 2, bisects two equal parts. Prove that angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Given as it is from the statement. To show now proof angle PSQ equal to angle 2 plus angle R. From here angle R is 2 comes left hand side, becomes of minus equation number 1. Angle PSR, which is equals to angle 1 plus angle Q. From here angle Q is angle PSR minus angle 1. Given PR is greater than PQ. PR, in front of PR the angle is Q, which is greater than angle in front of PQ, angle is R. Equation 3. From 1, 2 and 3. We have angle PSR minus 1 is greater than PSQ minus angle 2. Cancel 1 from 2 because both are equal. PS is a bisector. So angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ, hence proved. Next is example number 9. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that AD equals to AC. That's why these two angles are equal. We have to show that AB is greater than AD. Given AD equals to AC, to show now proof. If AD equals to AC, then angle ADC equals to angle ACD. Reason isosceles property. In triangle ABD, angle ADB, ADC equal to angle ABD plus angle 1. Reason: exterior angle property. So angle ADC is greater than angle ABD because angle ADC is exterior angle which will be equal to sum of these two angles. So this ADC angle is greater than angle ABD. Here we know that ADC and ACD are equal. Now replace it from ACD, which is greater than ABD. ACD, we can write it as ACB. ABD, we can write it as ABC. Important step. ACB, in front of ABC side is AB. ABC, in front of ABC side is AC. AB is greater than AC. Now replace AC and AD are equal. Replace AC from AD. So hence proved. Thank you.